आपण पाहत आहोत प्रजामत न्यूज. प्रजामत न्यूज मध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. बघूया आजच्या ठळक बातम्या.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें ताकि सर्वप्रथम वीडियो को देखते ही लाइक करें और ऐसे ही मजेदार और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो देखने के लिए लाल वाले बटन को दबाकर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें ताकि हमारे नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके.
बालकी येथील MDS शाळेमध्ये 10वीतील विद्यार्थ्यांचा निरोप समारंभ कार्यक्रम आयोजित करण्यात आले होते. यावेळी दीप प्रज्वलन करून कार्यक्रमास सुरुवात केली. कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष श्री दिगंबरराव जगताप होते, तर प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून BKIT कॉलेजचे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर नागशेट्टी बिरादार, वनमत स्वामी, विनायक शिंदे, अभय सिन्हा व शाळेचे मुख्याध्यापक श्री विनोद जगताप आणि यावेळेस या कार्यक्रमाचे सूत्रसंचालन श्री कल्लेश्वर यांनी केले, तर आभार संगीता काकनाळे यांनी केले. तर यावेळी विद्यार्थी व संस्थेतील शिक्षक वर्ग उपस्थित होते. यावेळी अनेक गुणवंत विद्यार्थ्यांना सन्मानही करण्यात आले आहे.
That we are no backward in real sense. We are able to get awards at the national level reflects the quality of education being given at MDS Public School, Balki. Hence, I take this opportunity to congratulate your respected principal, my senior at Mani Public School, and his father, Dr. Senior Jagtap sir, Sinha sir, the teachers that have taken the pains of ensuring these students participate and get awards. Please keep up this name, fame. See, a normal award, right? We have a representative from press amongst us as one of the guests. Every small thing gets published in a paper, but I haven't read a student from MDS getting an Inspire Award at the national level. Hence, I call upon the press and media to highlight the achievements of MDS students. Let everybody in Bhalki Taluka know that we have such hidden talents that is there at this particular school. He should be a motivation to others also. Coming to giving farewell to the students, 10 students, it's both happy moment as well as sad moment. Looking at students in color dress, I know that you are probably waiting to get together and time some spent together. After this, we are not very sure when you and your friends are going to meet again. Maybe in PUC, maybe in some degree colleges, somewhere probably you'll meet at some villages or somewhere. But you'll not be a place like school where every morning you meet each other and leave by evening and spend time. These times would be very, very precious. Please carry good moments you had at the school. If you had some bad moments, forget them, carry good things and ensure that you have a very bright future. It gets enlightened further. We know that most of the people studying in these schools are from middle class and all middle class. Giving education to such students is an Herculean task. Hence, the school has initiated lot of awards to motivate students. Senior Jagdap sir was telling me that the meritorious students get awarded. That's a good initiative from the school. Because of COVID pandemic, it was very, very tough to run a school. But I congratulate the management that they're able to run this particular school in spite of COVID pandemic. Right? We all know that students struggle to pay their fees. The institute struggled to pay the salaries of the faculty members. We went through very, very tough phase. But this particular COVID has taught us a lot of things. You have heard people working from home. You have heard that people sit at their very small place and they work in MNCs. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ರೈಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು? ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಪೆನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ತಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ರೈಟ್? you have a drone. You can use a drone to pass on the parcels. You can use a drone to check what is there in your agriculture field. You can use the web. Whether you are an art student, you will be a science student, what student you are, that will not be an hindrance, because everything with respect to subjects, with the implementation of national education policy, any student can learn any subject he wants. From this year they have implemented. In days to come, you can study science, you can study arts, you can study economics, you can be a multidisciplinary, multi-talented. Hence, it's important that you have confidence in yourselves. It's important that you have confidence in yourself. For this, I have an example for you. We had a group of people who were traveling in an aeroplane. The pilot, right, came to know that there was a turbulence during the flight. He told everybody, please fasten your belt, right? We might have an uneventful eventuality. Everybody was scared. Everybody took his, please. Everybody took the belt and they fastened their belt and were sitting very tight and praying in God, please save our lives. Everybody was very scared. There was one girl sitting looking in the window and she was very happy. She was very, very happy. Right? Then, why was she happy? There was one passenger, everybody, right? They landed safely in Delhi, right? Everybody got down, they took their luggage, right? Everybody packed up. One fellow asked that particular girl, you are so happy, and every one of us, each one of us was so worried, so right, tense. But how were you able to maintain that calm? What was the reason for your smile on your face? You are enjoying even that turbulence. That girl told the pilot who is right there in this plane is my father. I am sure that my father will ensure the safety of everybody. Hence, there are wonderful teachers here who have given you wonderful teaching. You have wonderful principal, you have wonderful management. What all they have taught you, please take that as your confidence. Have that as your confidence and face your exams without any fear. Exams, right, most of the time we panic and everything goes off. But believe in yourself, have that confidence. Please believe in your abilities. Believe in what your teachers have taught. Believe in what your school has taught you. Please carry them. Then probably sir was telling me, right, that each year you have 97%, 98%, 99% students securing these and topping to the taluka and district. Right? Hopefully, I anticipate that this year everybody will pass with distinction, will come out with flying colors. Wishing you all the very best. Please pass on our best wishes to all people who are not here, your classmates. Some of them are joining you now, some of them would be in the downstairs. right? Enjoy. We pass on to this. My best wishes to the teachers also. It's a Herculean task these days, right? Students are very, very intelligent. They use their Android phone. They have every single information is at their fingertips. We teachers will have to pull up our socks and ensure that our communication skills are good, our subject skills are good. Probably only then we can motivate students. At the end, I congratulate Vinod Jagtap sir and his father and other members of management. Right, in spite of all hurdles, they are marching forward. I'm being told that a new building is coming up. Right, this is not a bad building as such. Right, maybe with the better infrastructure, everything will be put forth in days to come. I wish the school all the best. I wish all the students, not only the outgoing students, the current students also, all the best. My best wishes to everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಶರಣು ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿ.
गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. बोलो भारत माता की जय. बोलो भारत माता की जय. आज महर्षि दयानंद सरस्वती स्कूल में जो कार्यक्रम रखा गया है, इस कार्यक्रम के जो चीफ गेस्ट है श्री डॉक्टर नागशेट्टी बिरादार सर, BKIT भालकी, और इस कार्यक्रम के जो अध्यक्ष है, इस संस्था के फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट दिगंबर राव जगताप सर, मेरे को लगता है कहीं नहीं मिला होगा तो इस MDS स्कूल में मिला है। इनको सभी को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ, क्योंकि MDS स्कूल ऐसा है, सर को जो हमारे इस फाउंडर है स्कूल के, तो इनको एजुकेशन के बारे में बहुत कुछ नॉलेज है। तो सर ने रिटायरमेंट होने के बाद ऐसा एक स्कूल निकाला है, उनको भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। बहुत से लोग रिटायरमेंट होने के बाद दूसरा काम करते रहते हैं, तो सर ने बैठे नहीं, तो ऐसा एक जो MDS स्कूल हो उन्होंने निकाल के बहुत से यहाँ के विद्यार्थियों को डेवलप हो गए हैं। आगे देखो हम ऐसा नेशनल लेवल अवार्ड्स के जो अचीव हो गए हैं, तो ये छोटी बात नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ का जो स्टाफ है, यहाँ का जो काम करने का तरीका है, बहुत स्कूल से भी अलग है। क्योंकि सर बार बार देखते रहते, जो खुद विनोद सर ही इसका मैनेजमेंट करते हैं, तो सर उसके बारे में सब देखते हैं। दूसरे तरफ स्कूल में ऐसा नहीं है, स्कूल निकालते वो कहाँ रहते, उसका प्रेसिडेंट कहाँ रहता है, वो क्या है, टीचर के ऊपर ही रहता है। लेकिन जो यहाँ का जो MDS स्कूल है, यहाँ के जो फाउंडर है, जो यहाँ के जो प्रिंसिपल है, उन्होंने जो स्कूल देखते हैं, ऐसे आपको मिला है। ये स्कूल ऐसा है, संस्कार, शिक्षा और सेवा, ये तीनों का काम करने वाली एकमेव संस्था बोले तो MDS स्कूल है। सभी को मैं गुजारिश करता हूँ, आप इस स्कूल में आए, आपका बहुत भाग्य है बोलो, क्योंकि ऐसा स्कूल मिलने का किसी को भी नहीं मिल सकता है, तो आपको मिला है, भाग्य है। तो आपको जो 10th पास, अब आगे 10th जा रहे हैं, तो आप अच्छे, मैं शुभकामना करता हूँ आपको, अच्छा मार्क लिए, आपका भी नाम होगा, स्कूल का भी नाम होगा, और इस भाग्य तालुके के भी नाम होगा। आप अच्छा पढ़ाई कीजिए और अच्छा स्टडी करके आने वाले दिन में इस स्कूल का नाम आपके तरफ से रोशन होगा, ये मैं आशा रखता हूँ। कल का आपका भविष्य अच्छा हो करके मैं शुभकामना देता हूँ। धन्यवाद सभी को।
Out of 100 marks in all subjects, we will get 21,000 cash prize. And the students and the teachers who have guided them for those subjects, they will get each 2,000 rupees. Each 2,000 rupees. Apart from that, the students who are getting out of 100 in some subjects, they will get 1,000 rupees separate. And who is the highest with out of 100, if there is no student out of 100 who will get highest marks, that is 98% at least, he will get 11,000 rupees cash prize. Like that we are announced. We are announced. And another announcement I am giving since 3 to 4 years. Listen, since 3 to 4 years I am announcing the student who will leave our school and in future studies, anybody who is getting IS degree or IGS degree or IRS degree, they will get 51,000 cash prize. कळलं का? जो मुलगा माझ्या शाळेतून पास होऊन 10वी पास होऊन पुढे जाईल, गेल्यानंतर त्यांच्या जीवनामध्ये कुठं ग्रॅज्युएट होईल, PUC कुठं होईल, कुठे ग्रॅज्युएट होईल, त्याच्यानंतर कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह परीक्षेमध्ये UPSC मध्ये IAS किंवा IPS जर झाला, त्याला 51,000 रुपये कॅश प्राईज देण्यात येईल. त्यांनी इम्प्लिमेंट करावं आम्हाला त्याच्या जीवनामध्ये. या सगळ्या अनाउन्समेंट कशासाठी? तुम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी. तुम्ही तुमच्या जीवनामध्ये तुमचा गोल अचीव करण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करा. म्हणून हे सगळं या सगळ्या गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवून तुम्ही एक्झामिनेशनच्या अध्ययन व्हावा. तुमच्या परीक्षामध्ये तुम्ही सक्सेस व्हावं अशी परमेश्वराला प्रार्थना करून माझे 2 शब्द या ठिकाणी थांबवतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Guiding us from so many years, from start to till now. I would like to thank him also on this occasion. I would like to thank all the staff members, subject teachers who has given their precious time, who are guiding you from last so many years. I would like to thank all the staff members right from LKG to 10th standard. We have guided you from right from LKG. All the teachers, you should. One thing I would like to tell you here. You should respect. You should respect your elders. Till you respect, you will not get anything. 3 things are there: father, mother, and guru. Father, mother, and guru. These are the 3 precious things in your life. You should respect each and every elder in your society, in your family, everywhere. Respect देना, discipline maintain करना. Yes. And you, all of you have given your precious time and attended the programs, attended the school. This is a moment of sorrow and also a happiness. You have to go to your next step. Keep aim, big aim. If you keep big aim, then only, as sir told, the way you should know. कहाँ जाना है ये पता नहीं है तो जा नहीं सकते. दिल्ली जाना है या हैदराबाद जाना है, बट यू हैव टू डिसाइड. द एम शुड बी बिग. तुम्हारा एम जो भी है लाइफ में जितना बड़ा रहेगा उतना बड़ा एम के लिए तुम काम करेंगे तो अचीवमेंट ऑटोमेटिक आएगा. हार्ड वर्क, इंटेलिजेंस से ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल हार्ड वर्कर है. इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा कितना सक्सेस होता मैं गारंटी नहीं देता, लेकिन हार्ड वर्कर 100% सक्सेसफुल होता. अभी आपने देखा BKT प्रिंसिपल सर was a very intelligent guy and I was a very average guy. I was a very average guy. He is my junior and he is PhD. He is from I think IITN from he has completed his PhD from IIT. He is IIT student. But he is managing so big institute. I am being a hard worker. I am also running one small school. This is the hard work. Hard work, always you will be successful. हार्ड वर्क करा तुम्ही सक्सेस हे येणार त्याच्यामध्ये. 2 थिंग मला मी कमी माझं कमी आहे की काय पेशंटचं हे कधी विचारायचं हार्डवर्क करायचं सक्सेस ऑटोमॅटिक येते. So your patience is not there. I will not take you much more time. Thanks to one and all. Thank you.
मिली जुली खुशी गम के भावनों के साथ, मिली जुली खुशी गम के भावनों के साथ शुभकामना है आज विदाई के मौके पे एक ही हो तुम्हारे जीवन की शुभ शुरुआत. I would like to stretch my warm welcome to our